Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll teach you how you can set up an automation on your Wix.com website. So you could, for example, send out an email like this to say thank you for signing up to my website, or any other automation really. You can customize them yourself. Just so you know, this is not something that's available to all users yet or all regions, so if you don't have the features available, you might just have to wait a little bit. But to actually set it up, you need to go over on the left side hand here on the panel to automations. If you don't have it, then you can set it up. But if you do have it, just keep on watching. So click here, and then you get taken to this side. To start a new automation, you go up here in the blue button that says new automation and click. You get quite a few options already, preset options, so it's super easy to set up. And these cover most things that most users would want for their Wix website. But for this video, I'm just going to tell you how to do a welcome email to new site members. So that means when people sign up to a website, they're going to receive like a welcome email, a bit like this I showed here. This was just one I tested before to see if it works. But yeah, basically, I'm going to do this. So click setup here on the one you want to set up. In this case, I don't need to touch the trigger. The trigger is what happens when someone does something. So in this case, it's when a visitor signs up to your site. But we want to click on the email part here. So here you need to start by putting your sender's name. That's what they're going to see when they receive an email from you. So in this case, it's going to be called the How To Academic. That's the name of my channel. And then the reply to email, that's the email is being sent from, that the user is going to be able to see when they receive the email from you, is the email you insert here. So I would recommend putting a marketing email if you have an online store, but it's really up to you. If it's just a personal email, it's completely fine to use a gmail.com option, for example. But to create the email itself, you have the design option here, and it actually functions a little bit like setting up a Wix website. So you can customize it here by clicking on the edit button. And then you get taken to the side here. Now you can insert your logo, you can change the colors, you can move these things around wherever it is convenient to you. You can add your social links and everything. And once you are happy with the design, you can simply go up here and click save and continue. And then we can click apply down here. And now we can see we have the green tick here, so we are ready. And then simply click activate up here in the top right corner. And from here, we can go over on the Wix.com website and test this automation we just set up. You can see it's active here. So if I go on the Wix website right here, I'm publishing it. It's already published in this case. Click view site here. And now I'm going to try and just make a test sign up. So I'm going to click login here, and I get taken up to my sign up page. Then you can also do the same. You can go on this website, temps-mail.org, and then you can go up and get a temporary email, which is great for like doing these kind of tests. So you get a random email, and you can also you see the inbox down here. So you just need to wait a moment, and then you get a temporary email you can just copy here. And as you can see, we have an email here. So I just copy this to my clipboard. I'm gonna go back to the website here. I'm just gonna do some numbers. I don't know if I can actually do that. I might just have to do this. Click submit. Okay, let's do just random numbers. It doesn't matter. Submit. I'm not a robot. And yeah. Sorry, I just had to add a new email. I did that by clicking delete here and then resets the email system. You can't just reload the website. Just good to know. But yeah, we have a new email here. Click submit to make an account. I'm not a robot. And wait a second. And there we have. Now we have a login. Now we can go to the mail here, and we can see if we received something in our inbox. And as you can see, we're now getting this email here. It's going to say you're now a member of my site. In this case, you're going to say your name of the site, and then this is what it's going to look like. So yeah, that's how you can set up an automation on your Wix.com website. And I really hope you found this tutorial helpful. Just so you know, you also have a couple of preset automations already from Wix.com if you have the automations feature available. So you might just have to take a look at it if you don't want any automatic features to be set up already. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed the video, and let me know if you have any other questions, and I'll try my best to help you in the comment section. Thank you for watching.